have taught hundreds of traders to become a constantly profitable trader in these wild markets. Now it is your turn to learn how to beat the markets using LuxAlgo Premium Toolkit. So after you purchased it, let's go to Indicators tab and you will go down to Invite Only section and you will see all the indicators you have been given to access from LuxAlgo. We will be using signals and overlays, price action concepts, and Backtester tool for signals and overlays. Click all of them to add to your chart. If you still don't have the access to LuxAlgo Toolkit, the good news is I am linking down below the 50% off link. You can just grab and come back to this video. I assume that this is your first time. If it is not, don't worry, because you will learn a lot of new stuff to take your trading next level. Now I will simplify your chart and make the way you can easily understand and trade with it. To do that, first we need to check the advanced optimization dashboard. It will plot automatically on the top right corner. You will see here the sensitivity, the trades, the net profit, the win rate, and it goes like this. As you can see that the 20 sensitivity has the highest win rate and it has the highest profit. This will help you to decide the best sensitivity at a glance. And currently I am trading Nasdaq futures. It is all for the demonstration purposes. You can trade gold, euro, dollar, whatever you want, and my time frame is 1 minute time frame. I assume you understand how you can use the Backtester tool, so we can just basically hide this one and we can go to signals and overlay settings. Please follow my exact steps to get the same chart like me. We will enable the ML signal classifier, and as you can remember, this was 20, and we will do the candle coloring to none. We will see the candles by its own color, whether it is green or red. So we will disable everything that pops here, and we will go down and change ML classifier 1, 2, 3, 4 if it is not like that. And basically that's everything you need to do. Just hit the OK button. Now let's go to our second indicator, price action concepts. All I want you to do is enable the volumetric order blocks. They are very powerful tool and I'm about to show you. I want you to enable the trend lines and I want you to go down, enable the fair value gap, and please enable daily, Monday, weekly, monthly, and quarterly highs and lows, multi-time frame. These are the highlights. It will appear on your chart. And if you done that, just hit the OK button. Now look at my chart. It's become more beautiful and it looks exciting. Look at this signal, look at this signal, and look at this one, look at this one, look at this one. They are all looks awesome. Now I will teach you which one you will take and which one you will avoid. Before you take any trade, you need to look over to your chart and see the levels with your eyes. What I mean by that is you have this previous day high, you have this previous week high, and if you just zoom out, you will see the previous day low. These are the targets that you can easily target when you go long or the short position. Now we will roll the market together and we will execute together our trades and see what will happen. If you come by this far, I will give you a secret. If you want to increase your win rate, I highly suggest you only trade at the one session. You can choose New York AM session, you can choose London session, or you can choose Asia session. Why? Because if you master one session, you will know exactly what it will do, what candle can do if it reverses or if it rejects from the certain levels. If you feel confused, don't, because I will enlighten you in a moment. Today we will be trading New York AM session. This is my favorite one. So the time is 9:21. We got a one classified sell signal here. If you don't know what is 1, 2, 3, 4, I am putting on the chart. You can basically see which one means what. Everything I am explaining here is a very important. If you skip one part, you can end up losing trade. The choice is yours. Trading not easy. You need to stay calm and you need to watch patiently. You need to stay calm and you need to insist to make money. If you lose one trade, don't give up. please try your system at least 1 week. What we are looking here is we got the sell signal. Are we gonna take it? Yes. Why? I will explain you now. Let's remove these drawings. We have these bars over here, green and red. This is called a volumetric order blocks. You can use this as a support and resistance levels. Also, the good news is you can put your stop loss or your take profit just under or inside these bars. And this is exactly what we're gonna do. We will be initiating F5 Nasdaq contracts here, and the reason is we just got rejected from this volumetric order block and we got a fair value gap. If you don't know what is fair value gap, I am putting the left here and you can read while I am explaining. With this fair value gap, we got one more bearish fair value gap. It looks awesome because we have the target, which is a previous week high and the previous day low. And also I want to show you these trend lines. We added everything for a reason. You can see that this uptrend broken with this candle. So there are a lot of confirmations now at the moment. We need to press the button and sit back and watch our position making money. So I'm putting my final TP to previous day low. If it comes here, we will be making $5,000 and I'm putting my stop loss just above this volumetric order block. In terms of risk reward, it is a 5-hour trade, which is awesome. Let's roll the market to see what will happen, and I'm gonna teach you what we will do in the way. So we have reached the previous week high. I want you to take partials always. Always pay yourself. If you want to become a constantly profitable, you need to take partials on the way. With this trade, we have secured a $1,900. Now we are trailing our stop to our break even, just under this fair value gap. So we will be riding this trade and let's see if we make $2,000 more or not. And boom, we just smashed the target and in total we made $4,000 just like this. Let me give you a secret if you watch by this far. I could have taken this trade, I could have taken this signal, but I didn't. Why? Because I wait for the perfect moment. And how I know it is the perfect moment is very simple. The market opens at 9:30. As I told you before, I trade New York AM session and I start looking trades after 9:15, and after 9:15 I take all the signal that comes in front of my screen. If it is met with my all criteria I just explained to you, fair value gaps, trend line, all that stuff, and if I have a target, that will be a banger trade. So the idea here is quality over quantity. We will take one trade, but that one trade will get the money that we can take all these scalps. This is the idea. We will focus one perfect trade. After that we will close our screens. So that was all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed and learned something new today. If so, I highly suggest you watch these videos over here, and before you leave, hit that subscribe button, and until the next time, see you soon.